Hi, I'm Deanna, a product engineer here at Intercom, and I want to show you Multilingual Workflows, which is currently in open beta. Supporting a global customer base often means duplicating your workflows, one for each language that you support, and they're all managed separately, costing you and your teammates valuable time. But that was then. Let's take a look at how Multilingual Workflows is changing this. As you can see here, this is my Workflows overview page, which you may be familiar with. I've got a workflow in English, the same one in French, and German and Spanish. The only thing that differs is the languages, but the text and the content are the same. If we click into the English one, we'll see how Multilingual Workflows feature is changing this. Now, when you edit your workflow, you'll see this auto-translate toggle at the top of the page. This allows you to toggle on and off the translations. When we toggle this on and save the workflow, this is when the AI is going to auto-generate translations for you. This will happen asynchronously to not block you from making any other updates in the workspace. So just come back after a little bit of time and they should be there. We are working on speeding things up, so stay tuned for that. Here's an example of one that I prepared earlier, where I've had an English workflow and allowed the translations to be generated. Now when we click on the auto-translate toggle at the top of the page, you'll see all of the languages that your workspace supports, and clicking into each of these languages will give you a preview of what the workflow will look like in that language for the customer. So here we have French, German, so on and so forth. It's worth noting that the messages in the yellow boxes, which are internal teammate notes, aren't currently translated. It's only messages that are user-facing, so customer messages, reply buttons, all of those things. Well, let's see an example and jump into the inbox. So in the inbox here, we have a conversation with a customer in Spanish. So we can see the reply button that they clicked, we can see the workflow messages, we can see the interaction with Finn, all in Spanish. And then thanks to the new real-time translations feature, which has been demoed recently, I as the teammate can toggle between the end user's language and my language so that I can see it in both. So that's a quick overview of the new Multilingual Workflows feature. As you can see, AI is really changing how support works and making it easier to scale. Tasks that once took hours of manual effort are now a few clicks away. And as the beta evolves, we're planning to add a glossary feature so you can define terms that should stay consistent across languages like product names or plan types. So watch this space.